Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how we can make screenshots on a Samsung Galaxy, here the S23 Ultra, but I guess it's working for most of them in a very similar or actually the same way. And the reason why I wanted to make this video is because the top sites which Google showed didn't list all the possibilities which we have. Maybe I'm also missing one here, but at least I'm showing more than most of these websites are showing. Most of these websites show only 4 possibilities. Here I'm going to show 5 of them. Of course, you have also the possibility to add some apps with screenshot possibilities, maybe even an app which can make a screenshot just with shaking the smartphone. I've seen that also with other smartphones. So let's start here with the first one. I think that's the one which most people are using, and that's pressing 2 buttons at the same time, the on, off and the volume down. Some people try it like that, but it's a little bit difficult because the buttons can be a little bit hard, especially if you have a case. A trick which actually my wife showed to me is to hold it like that. So you have already one finger on the volume down button, and then you can use this finger from the other hand and easily press. You can see it has been doing the screenshot. The second option is to use Bixby, which can be also assigned, for example, to this button. I'm not going to show you that because I haven't activated that, but shouldn't be a problem. Just go to the settings and then assign Bixby to this button, and then you should be able to make a screenshot with that. Then of course we have also this pen down here, can easily remove it. And then we get this icon here on the right side. We click on that, can do the smart select. While we are in this state, we just push down here on the left top and slide to the right bottom. And then we'll have the selection, can save, share, whatever you want to do. And then number 4, that's something which I don't like at all, but I'm trying here, and that's sliding with the side of your hand over the whole screen. And it actually doesn't work very reliable. I'm struggling a lot. Probably depends on the speed how you do that. Yeah, now I have been successful, but for me not reliable enough. So the most convenient thing which I'm usually using is number 5, and that's the screenshot from the side menu. So I think that's also the default. When we have it here, we can just slide it inside. Of course, you can configure that. You can go to edit, change the side menu, but I think it's even the default that we have the screenshot directly from here. The only disadvantage which we have here is that when we start here, it won't block the screen. So if something is running in the background, like a video, you want to make a screenshot of a video, when you do it like that, the video will keep running. Only when you click here directly on screenshot, it will stop. That's of course a difference compared to when you do it like that, then immediately the screen will stop, and then you can edit the screen, whatever you want to do. It's in all the cases only when you really do the screenshot, then the screen will stop moving, of course, like always. So here we had 5 options. Maybe there are even more than that, of course. I think these are the most convenient, most important ones. But if you have found something better than that, especially one with shaking or so, I remember I've been using that a couple of years ago, maybe with another phone. But I haven't seen this option here in the settings directly. But if you have found this option in the settings, then just let us know. Also, if you have found some other settings or other apps which are more helpful than the built-in options, then please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things and learn new stuff. But I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.